Money, they say, does not buy you happiness. I mean, how true that is, I really do not know. But one thing I do know is that as soon as I stepped into this property, my opinion changed. Beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today we would be exploring this 5 bedroom, fully detached duplex with a swimming pool and a BQ located right here in Lekki County Homes, Lekki, Lagos. As soon as I stepped into this property, I fell in love, literally. And this is definitely the kind of place that you should get for your family. Now, one thing about this location is that it is very habitable and it is very secured. I mean, they're very strict with security here. They do not compromise on security. And this is in the market for 450 million naira. Now, the truth is, I've seen different properties in this estate. But for this price range, this is one of the best that I've seen so far, which is another reason why I am recommending it to you. It has a title of C of O. Now, in a couple of seconds, I'll flip this camera to tour this property. I will not only show you the interior, but I'll give you a glimpse of what the neighborhood looks like. So you get to see that it is habitable, and I'll also give you more information. But before we head into that, if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. It is such a delight to grace your screen today. My name is Victoria Chizobadoraku, and I would love to have you as part of the amazing family that I have right here on YouTube. So as you're watching this video, all I need you to do is go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't get to miss out on our subsequent updates. If you also want a property probably lesser than this price or even above this price, you want a land, you want something you can pay instrumentally, we have them at different locations. Just reach out to us on the number displayed on your screen, and I'll be here to meet with all your real estate needs. Now stick around to the end of this video. This might just be the home that you've been looking out for, and I'm very sure that you love this one. Now let's explore this property together. Be my guest, please. Come along. It's okay.
So welcome
Thank you.
back, beautiful people. Now this is the unit that we would be inspecting. However, let me just give you a glimpse of what the neighborhood looks like. Like I told you, I was going to show you that. So let's just have a 360 view of what the neighborhood looks like. All right, so let's go in. So what we're going to be doing is before we go inside to see the interior, we're going to move around the compound first so you see what the surrounding looks like. You see the space and everything. Now this is the size of the compound, and this can take up to 4 cars. One, two, three, four. Nothing more than 4 cars can fit into this compound. And then here is a better view of what the building itself looks like right here. So we have security lights just by the side of the wall here, as you can see. So let's move around the compound first before we go in. This is a 5 bedroom fully detached duplex with a BQ located in Lekki County Homes, Lekki, Lagos. Sorry. Now this is the walkway to the one behind. So this gives you access to the kitchen. Okay, this gives you access to the BQ. This is the BQ, but it is locked, and that's because we have some things inside of there. That's why it's locked. So we have this right here. So this is the unit at the back. This is another unit entirely. So you see, we already have this installed here for you. Right. So this gives you access to the kitchen. Now, right here is where we have the swimming pool, and the swimming pool comes with a water fountain, just as you can see. And you can also have a view of the swimming pool from the living area right here. And the size of the swimming pool is good enough, it's not very small. And then you still have enough space to move around right here. So here's a better view of it from this angle. Okay, so you can also access the living room from here, but let's finish moving around the compound first before we go inside. Also, the space in between the two buildings, there's enough space. It's not very close. It might appear a bit closer than what it actually is in reality, but it's not very close. So you can be sure of proper ventilation. Okay, so we've toured around the compound. Now let's go inside to see the interior of this house. come along with me, please. So it has a smart lock. The door has a smart lock. So if you don't want to use the manual lock, you can just use the smart lock. You can put a code there and then use it. And we're inside now. All right, so let's take a look at the full size of the living area first before we begin to explore. Here's the full size of it. Now, one of the things that makes me really like this estate where this property is located, like I told you, is the fact that they do not compromise on security. They are very strict with security right in this estate. If you do not have the access code, you cannot come in. So it is very secure. So if security is one of the things you really prioritize when looking out for a property, then I would highly recommend this one to you. And there's this TV console right here. Okay, now we have this beautiful design by the wall here that gives it this exquisite look with a frame in between. And then this right here is designated. Okay, this is designated for your dining area. This can be designated for your dining area. So this is it. Let me show you the view from here. Let me show you the view from here. If you also choose to have your dining area here, it's also good as well. So let's see the guest room. This is the guest room. This is the full size of the guest room. Full size of it. Has a wardrobe right here, and then toilet and bath for the guest room. Okay. Next is the kitchen. So we have this pantry right here in the kitchen, and then this is what the size. Let's see the size of the kitchen first. One of the things I really like this kitchen is how spacious it is. I mean, you literally have enough space to move around conveniently. Now we have this kitchen couch right here. So just in case you have company in the kitchen, they can just sit here. And then we have this kitchen island right here that has this kitchen sink on it. And we also have this tabletop gas burner. We have a washing machine right here. We have the sink also here. We have an extractor here. We have a microwave. We have an oven. We have, what else do we have here? We have this rack right here. Okay, and then we have this double door refrigerator right here as well. And then we have quite a number of cabinetries for storage, quite a number of them. We also have inbuilt speakers and this really beautiful chandelier that I would love you to just take a look at. Okay, so we're done here and let's go upstairs and see what we have there. Like I said, this is selling for, okay, we have the smart devices here. I think I missed out on it. I didn't show you that controls the inbuilt speaker amongst other things. Okay, so like I was saying, this is in the market for 450 million naira. And this price is slightly negotiable, but we'll get to talk about that when you give us a call. And the title is CFO, also has its building approval. Okay, so we're upstairs now, and this is the family lounge. Now we have just limited units available. So if at the end of this video you love what you see, kindly give us a call immediately before it gets sold out. This is the family lounge. This is the size of it. It has this TV console right here. And then here's the view from here. Beautiful people, if you love what you see, start dialing our number immediately before this house gets sold out. Okay, let's begin to explore. We've seen one room downstairs. What do we have here? This is your box room. You can fix your inverter here. or use it for whatever you deem fit. So this is room two. We've seen one downstairs. This is room two, and this room is spacious. Yes, it is spacious. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I've seen several houses for this price range in this estate, and this one stands out for me in terms of the room sizes and the amenities in the kitchen. That is why I would recommend it to you, toilet and bath. That is why I'm recommending it to you, because I know that this would definitely make a good home for you. So let's see room three right here. The third room right here. Wardrobe here. If you've watched this video to this point, and you haven't subscribed, I think this is all the sign you need, that you need to subscribe to my channel. I mean, you've watched this video to this point, so why wouldn't you just subscribe and just be a part of this beautiful family that I have here? So go ahead and hit the subscribe button as you're watching me right now, and also turn on your notification bell so that every time I post a video here, you get to be notified. I mean, you don't want to miss out on all of our updates. I am very intentional with genuine properties because, like I always say, I want to build a brand that lasts, a brand that will stand the test of time in the real estate market. So I am very, very intentional about genuine properties. I prioritize your peace of mind and also mine. So what I'm literally saying in essence is that you are absolutely safe here with us. So come on, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. All right, let's see the master's bedroom and then we end this video. Don't you just love this view? Picture yourself in this house. I mean, okay, let's see the balcony first before we go into the master's bedroom, and then you definitely have a better view of the neighborhood from here. So this is a better view of what the neighborhood looks like from here. All right. Okay, so let's see the master's bedroom. So first we'll take a look at the size before we begin to explore what we have here. So this is the size of it. We have quite a number of windows. You can be sure of proper ventilation here. There's this TV console already placed here for you, and this really beautiful chandelier that has inbuilt speakers just beside it. And then right here we have the wardrobe at this angle, and this is not the only wardrobe, don't worry, there's another one right here. This is another one. And then to this angle is where we have the toilet and bath that has this double toilet sink right here. And we have this right here. Okay. So we have the sink well placed here as well. We have this bathtub here, and then the walk-in shower. Let's get a closer look of it. All right, so there you have it, a 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex with a swimming pool, fully fitted kitchen with great amenities. Also has a BQ located right here in Lekki County Estate, Lekki, Lagos. Remember, I said it is a very secured estate and they do not compromise on security here. And we have just limited units available. So if you love what you see, start dialing my number right away with the title of CFO, and also has its building approval available, selling for 450 million naira. Remember, I also said that there can be a slight reduction on the price. We'll get to talk about that when you give us the call. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. It has been such a delight doing this with you. Till I come your way next time, my name is Victoria. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing. And I'll see you in my next video. And if you've not subscribed, please do that right now. Do not leave without subscribing. Have a great day ahead. Bye.